Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to switch to a pro account on TikTok. Yeah, it is so quick and so easy process. Firstly, what you need to do, you need to go on your last selection by typing on the profile section, and then you need to go on the three dots on your right upper side. Right after that, you need to go for the second selection, settings and privacy. Then you need to go for manage account on the account section, and right down, as you can see, you have the option to switch to business account. Now you need to know that switching to a pro account means switching to a business account. This is the same thing with a different type of section which is related on the TikTok side. Now just click for switch to business account, and here you'll need to get up to this site and go for next. You'll need to choose a category. I will go for electronics, for example, and I will go next. Then you'll need to wait to get up to this profile, and you'll be able to go for edit profile to make sure that you get up to your pro account and take a look on it. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.